Inca 4x4, and this is my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Launch Edition. This is a M416 military trailer. I did some work to get it ready for overlanding. Hey, so thanks again for checking me out. If you've ever been interested in overlanding, car camping, just exploring and seeing what these vehicles are capable of doing, come take a 3-day, 2-night tour with me. One part off-roading, one part hiking. All levels are welcome. If you have a rig, you're welcome to bring your own rig. If you're not sure about what equipment you may need, it's very entry level to we can get technical. Really, it's about getting on the trails, having fun, meeting new people, and just enjoying the views, getting close to nature, and getting away from the city, and just meeting new people. I've absolutely enjoyed meeting everyone on my trips. You guys are amazing, and I look forward to keep doing this. The local communities, the shops we visit have also been amazing. Shout out to Jason at Sunrise Grocery Store, Mountain Crossings on the Appalachian Trail, and the wine shop in Blairsville. So if you're got 3 days off, come do this trip with me. You're gonna have a blast, and I look forward to seeing you on the trails.